Hello, hope you're doing well. My name is Enrique Stile. I am partner of Marval O'Farrell and Mayral in Argentina, Buenos Aires. We are the members of the ELA in Argentina. I would like to talk today about a new law in Argentina that has reformed everything. It's by the new president, Javier Milei. And one of the big reforms is the reform in the labor law. This is a reform that has been requested by the market through many years, but nobody was able to make it. First of all, there is a cleaning law where all the past relationships that were like risky for being misclassified or were not properly registered at the beginning, or employees who were receiving some benefit that after that the court considered to be remuneration and they were under risk of being sued. Well, that could be easily solved now. There is a cleaning law where all those previous relationships that were not properly registered could be registered. This is very common in situations where there are independent contractors developing software or developing programs. So all those people now could be as proper employees without cost for the employer. It's a good law for cleaning all the past. Then a very, very important situation is that this law has attacked what we call the industry of litigation in the labor market by eliminating all the fines that employees could claim for not being properly registered. This was an abuse that was made of the law because people just for having a cell phone or a benefit were suing double severance or 3 times severance, considering the cell phone was part of the remuneration and that was not properly registered. So this has eliminated a lot of litigation. We have seen in our firm that the level of claims has been reduced, so our clients are very happy. There is also a step forward to accept independent contractor relationships and this not being considered as misclassification. All presumptions for misclassification in the case of independent contractor have been eliminated. It is even possible to hire independent contractors, so it is a good solution for many people that are working as independent contractors and don't want to be employees because they want to be free, they want to manage their time, they want to go on vacation whenever they want, or they want just to work for projects. So this is also something very good, who will generate a lot of business. It has also reduced the risk of outsourcing and the presumption, so it's possible to outsource more than in the past without having risk of being sued, so that is very good. It has extended also what we call the trial period. In Argentina, we have a trial period of 3 months where you could terminate a relationship in case the employee was not so good as you expected or it has not matched with the company policy or culture. So this trial period has been extended to 8 months or 1 year. So that is very good. So if the party is an employer and employee that does not match in the first month of relationship, you could terminate the relationship without paying severance. The reform in the union sector in the past, and still the unions are very strong. They were bringing people to do pickets, to make actions. There were blockages of companies. Nobody could enter, nobody could go in. The streets were closed. So, well, this has been solved. There is a law specifically attacking those kind of situations where people cannot cut the street, cannot cut the transit, cannot blockage companies. So this is really very good because that was a common picture every day in Argentina. And also they set forth that it is possible to dismiss for just cause those employees who were in a picketing, in an illegal picketing, destroying things, convincing people to go, putting pressure for employees not to work. So that employees could be dismissed with cause, and this is very good. Regarding termination, it has been included the possibility of claiming a discriminatory dismissal, that is good for the employees, and it is fixed, it is taxable, it is capped, and it's a formula for that. So it's not that the judge could make unlimited amounts, it is a 50% in addition to the severance, so that's very good. And also it set forth a termination fund. That is a fund where the employers contribute every month as part of the salary, and that fund will be used in case of a termination to pay the severance. Some of these regulations have to be still put in practice, have to be ruled, but the reform is huge. We think that from a business perspective it's very good. It will help clients to do business, to don't have so many litigations, so many conflicts. So I think it's a good situation for Argentina. For more information about the Employment Law Alliance and to get access to more detailed content like the one from top legal firms around the globe, you could visit us on the web at ela.law.